Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show one of my CPA account. This is Zandaf account. So first of all, I am login in my account. Okay, we have to wait. Okay, this is my dashboard of Zandaf account, and total income from this account is $1,408, and right now this balance, available balance right now here, $1,080.58. So total conversions till now, 176 conversions and clicks this one. In this month, my available balance is right now this one. So I think it will increase. And if I go to my billing details, then okay, today's income. This is my today's income, $64. I already got this amount, 321 USD. It's already paid. And global US account, this is my receiving account. From this account, from this ZF account, this is my income for this month, 1080 USD. This amount will increase. I will try to show it in my next video. So basically, there are several things we have to follow. First of all, we have to target USA traffic. If we can promote our offer in USA in different states, definitely we can expect this type of good amount each and every month. I will try to explain everything regularly and try to make video regularly. Then everything will very clear to everybody. So first of all, we have to choose a very good product. Then we have to promote the offer in USA. If we can target our perfect audience, then we can expect a very, very good amount, handsome amount. We have to target and retarget our audience. We have to track our audience so that we can easily earn this type of amount each and every month. So this is my traffic report. This is the date, 23 December. Today's click 15,497 and lead 8 leads and total earning 64 USD. Okay, I'm promoting my offers in United States, and these are the cities, all the cities here. United States cities, all the cities. United States cities, Utah, Arizona, Los Angeles, Boone, Denver. So all of the cities here, and this is the click amount. So all of the cities here only from United States. So if we can target our traffic based on United States, we can make a good conversions, we can get good clicks, and we can earn like this each and every month. And that is very simple. So we can easily earn this type of amount each and every month, and that is very simple. And not only this amount definitely it will increase. So first of all, we have to learn everything very properly, very deeply, choose a good offer. We have to promote our offer in tier 1 countries like United States, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom, so that our conversion rate will very high, then we can easily earn this type of amount. So if anyone want to learn each and everything very properly and very deeply, and if anyone want to earn this type of amount, not only this type of amount, more than this type of amount, huge amount from CPA network, contact me by WhatsApp, which I already given in my video. Learn and easily earn from any types of CPA networks. So thanks for watching my videos.